Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey girl, welcome to my channel. Today I'm collabing with Jessie's hair. First I'm going to start by showing you guys everything that came in the package. Y'all can see they sent me a lot of stuff. And then we're going to get into showing the wig. So this is the wig straight out the package, y'all. It looks so good. It's so full. And it's actually good lace on here too. And the frontal is pretty like wide, so you can part far back on here. But here's an up close of the lace, letting you know it's HD. It came with combs and clamps on the inside. And it came with an extra band for the ladies that like that extra snug. And here's the up close of the lace. Y'all can see her cap is already on, so I'm going to start by positioning the wig exactly where I want it to lay. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut around both ears on each side. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use that same shade I put on her cap on her lace just to get that perfect blend. I'm going to be doing 3 layers of lace glue, and I'm going to apply them directly on top of each other without letting them dry clear, and I'm smoothing with my fingers. And after I do that 3rd layer on each side, I'm going to let it dry clear, and once it's dry as clear, we're going to be ready to lay the lace down.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true, I'm digging you.
Okay, the coast is clear, so we can now lay the lace. I'm going to be starting with the middle. As you guys can see, when I pull that middle down, I'm going to take the first side and I'm going to pull it down and place it directly on top of where I applied the glue. And that comb in my hand, I'm going to use that to comb back to make sure the lace, just to make sure it actually sticks to the glue. Okay, after I finish that, I'm going to place her hand right there to hold that side so I can ensure that nothing moves. And then I'm going to be on to the next side doing the same steps.
It's not that I don't want you here.
So I'm using my hot comb to sleek the hairline back before I put the band on.
I know that I don't make things clear.
So the band is going to help us melt this lace more into her skin before we remove that excess lace in the front. While the band on, we can get straight into using the hot comb, which is like constructing the part. By the time we remove the band, the hair will already be flat and ready to go. I'm going to do small sections on each side using my hot comb just to get it as flat as possible. And I'm not really using big pieces. I'm parting off small pieces because the smaller the subsection, the flatter the install will be. You can see the difference between each side already, y'all. Same thing to this side.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away.
Okay, now that we done hot combing, let's remove the band, see what we working with. That lace look good. Now we can remove the excess lace. I'm using my shears just to cut straight lines in it. It makes it easier to remove the lace when I'm using my razor. After you remove all the excess lace, you can use the tail end of your comb to go back and add glue under the pieces that did not get laid. I said no baby hair, but I'm still going to give her a sideburn on each side, so that's what you guys see me parting off now. Now that that part's over, I'm going to go in and use that same shade that I used on the lace and the cap and just add a little more to her hairline just to give it more of a blend. I'm sure y'all know about this product, but I'm going to use the brown Fantasia spritz to spray on top of that, and I'm going to tie her lace down again just to get that lace melted a little bit more and for it to look more of like her skin. So what I'm doing now is I'm applying a lighter shade to her part because our parts are naturally lighter than our hairline. But towards the top of that part, I'm going to use a darker shade. Instead of using the black spray, I'm going to use the black hair color pen. I find this to work way better and it makes your part look much more natural. Now I'm going to add some layers to the hair. I know most of y'all scared of layers, but honestly, layers make your hair look so much better when it's time to style it. Okay, so now it's time for y'all to see why I did those layers. I'm using my 1.5 inch iron curler from Sally Beauty. I forgot how much it cost, but it wasn't that expensive. And I'm gonna be doing pin curls just to show y'all like how good your curls can come out. So these aren't super tight curls, they're more on the loose side. The super tight curls will be me using my 1 inch, but I'm using my 1.5 inch. With me pinning the curls too, that allow the curls to hold that heat and cool down in place, so when the curl fall, it's gonna hold more.
Reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the
Okay, so I'm done with pinning the curls. I'm gonna let them curls sit while we take a look at the baby hair. That lace really lifts it real good into her skin, like more than I expected. So as far as for the sideburns, y'all, I'm not gonna slick them down or anything. I'm gonna just use a razor comb and thin them out as much as possible until it give off like a natural look. So basically now everything is finished. I'm gonna start taking down the curls, and then y'all gonna see me style them out, and then we gonna see how y'all like the style. It's really giving grandma right now. Real, like, I don't like it. So we gotta fix it up a little bit, y'all. Right now, I'm just using my wide tooth comb to comb the curls out as much as possible. After I get the hair combed out, I'm gonna be styling it and placing the hair exactly where I want it to lay. I'm going in with my razor comb to add more layers towards the front so the curls will lay better. Well, actually not even lay, so the curls will like sit better, hold better, and just look better overall. So this is the finished look. We did a middle part, no baby hairs, layers, and curls. I hope you guys liked the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys be back next time. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. That's at Marshella Simone Hair. And don't forget to leave me a comment on what you learned or what you want to see next, or something that you think I can improve on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.